In today's quick 2-minute bioinformatics session, you'll learn how to calculate average nucleotide identity, ANI, between bacterial genomes using Proksee. Let's get started. Now, copy the web page URL and paste it into your preferred web browser to access the site. Log in your account. Start by uploading the reference genome for ANI comparison. The processing will take a few minutes. Once your genome is uploaded, click Create Map to continue. Allow a few minutes for the process to complete. To customize the caption, update the key label in the caption text section. Click the Tools tab, then under Sequence Comparison, select the FASTANI option. Proceed by uploading the draft genome file. Click OK, and this analysis will take a few minutes as well. You will find the average nucleotide identity value displayed here. The reciprocal genome mapping results can be downloaded here. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or inquiries, drop us a message in the comments below. We'll be happy to help and respond as best as we can. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content.